Hey guys, welcome back to iToolab channel. This video will show you how to fix iPhone won't turn on. Look, this iPhone 13 Pro won't turn on even when I press the power and volume buttons. Let's try to charge it. Three, 2, 1, 20 minutes later. Unfortunately, it can't turn on. So, let's try our FixGo to fix this issue. Okay, first connect this iPhone with computer and then choose standard mode. Click Fix Now to download the firmware package. The process depends on your internet connection, so keep the connection fast and stable. After seconds verifying process, click Fix Now to fix iPhone won't turn on issue. Okay, FixGo has finished its work. iPhone reboots by itself. Let's check the result. Yes, we made it. iPhone can turn on and everything turns normal. If you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe iToolab. Thanks for watching. See you next video.